Yeah, big house. We gonna drive over there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We got it. Look for cars. Okay, turn right. Turn right, keep going. Turn right. No, this way. Hey, go left. At the house?
We're almost there.
Okay. Yeah, there was a fire and now Daddy's fixing it.
I have to fix it first.
Oh, I know, I gotta fix it first.
And I need to fix it too.
Oh, you can help too? What's your rate?
My house is all the way to my house.
Oh, yeah? Dropping the kiddo off this morning to daycare and noticed that half of the shingles on the roof are missing, and figured I'd drop the kiddo off and swing back by the house and take a look at the progress that they're making. Things are actually moving. Holy cow. We're going to try and get a couple of videos of getting the trusses ripped off and rolling the new ones on and getting the roof put back on. So try to make this video a little bit longer than the other ones and not just a single update. I know that I got to get in there and tear out some of the wiring and whatnot that's going to be in the way of them pulling trusses off. Let's drive down the street here and I will get on site and get you guys an update. Let's go take a look at the house. Oh yeah. How you doing? I am so excited about this. Let's go inside. I'll show you guys what's going on. I like that. Here's your vault. What do you guys think? Open ceiling concept. You guys can see the extent of the damage now with the roof being gone. But finally get some traction on this thing. Trusses will be here in a couple days. I guess they're gonna pull off the rest of it tomorrow. Trusses will be here Thursday, so hopefully we'll have a enclosed system by the weekend already. So I'll be glad that things are happening here on the house. I'm gonna go inside and clean up some stuff, move some wires, and get some of that stuff moved out of the way so it's not getting dirty or getting destroyed by stuff falling on it. So progress. Love it. Well, I got the wires pulled out, marked everything for the home runs, pulled out the doorbell and thermostat, thinking might put them here on the side, just so you can't see them quite from the front door. Just kind of cleaning things up, making it a little easier for the guys to yank the trusses off. I got a little bit more to go, kind of right above the hallway and bathroom, but overhead, the service to bed too, stuff like that. I don't think we're gonna replace any of the phone jacks in the house. There's a bunch of Cat 5 data that the previous owners put in. We've got the trusses coming up in about 2 days, being delivered. Hopefully toss those back on and get the rest of the place kind of closed in. Making progress. Kind of looking in here. We've got some wires coming to the floor. Install some raceways on the TV wall for the new owners at some point to be able to put all the wires in the wall, so nice and clean. Hopefully do a couple cans up in the kitchen here. We've got a nice bronze, antique bronze, dark bronze chandelier going there above the dining room table area. So I'm pretty much done for the day. I got all the wires wrapped up. You can see the pile of wires over there. But got all this stuff pulled, got it cleaned up, marked as best that I can tell, kind of what was service. Just making sure that whoever we have come in for the electrical is going to be a little bit better prepared for the process. Like even the bathroom here, they had a heat lamp and fan timers and all sorts of crazy stuff. You can see that. So we'll clean all that up. Probably just do a little smart fan or a little humidistat or something like that in there. This is the only hall light in this area. It's one little light here and it kind of illuminates both hallways, but it's also the attic access. I'm going to move the attic access over here so that it's not in the line of sight from the living room, and it just kind of hides it, and I can still put maybe 1, 2, 3 lights, and then it lights up this hallway really nicely. So it doesn't need to be blinding light, but just kind of keep it nice and bright in there. I'll catch you guys on the next segment here, probably with the trusses coming in. Yesterday the trusses got delivered, and this morning the guys are rolling them up onto the walls here, and I decided to stop by and take a look at the progress and take some video for you guys, and notice that the vault for the master is about 10 inches off. They would have had like a weird little step in the master bedroom, so we called the contractor, and I guess he's going to get in touch with the truss company and get it rectified. Just another piece of the puzzle. So we got a little bit of snow last night, and I wasn't expecting the guys to come down being a Saturday. You guys get to see what I'm looking at right now. Pretty stoked. Looking pretty good. We're actually going to have a sealed sheathing to be on, so at least we have a somewhat enclosed system here in the next day or so. Still got to do the gable end over there. You guys can see to close that all off, and just finish up the sheathing, paper, shingles. So just about done with the roof sheathing. We're gonna get that inspected and on to the next step. So cabinets were here this morning, so we're waiting to hear back from them, figure out what we want to do with that. Definitely going to go with the island. I really want to make this nice for somebody. I mean, somebody's going to pay an awful lot of money for this house, and want to make sure that we're giving them the best value possible. So maybe if you guys have any suggestions on what we should do for the kitchen, maybe even the cabinet color, or on into the flooring and wall color, but comment below. Let us know what you guys think about what we should do for the rest of this house. Thanks for watching, guys.